I'm not sure you want that. I will ask you one more time. You can do better. Do you want to see more? Great. So sit down, relax, and enjoy the show. That here in the UAE, there is a lot of adoption centers, have many dogs who's waiting for us. Give them the forever family. It's Hey Hey. Thank you so much. This is Hey Hey, and she got a message for us. So let's read it together and see. Well, the message said, save the wildlife, save our future. Wow, what a nice message, yeah? Save wildlife, save our future. Do you guys agree? Can I see your thumbs up if you agree? Of course we do. And you know, kids, by throwing the garbage in the correct place, it will make a big difference. Now, let's call another animal friend to show us where we should dispose the garbage. Come on, Kylie. It's Maro. So this is Maro, and let's see what he will show us. Maro! He's a little bit hurry today, no problem. Alright, well done, Maro. So if our animal friend can do that, so can we. Now you know more about it. Just share it with others and do something about it. And we hope that it's not the end, but it's the beginning of something better. Now we reach the end of our show. On behalf of myself, our animal friend, the trainers, and the Dubai Safaris family, we hope that you enjoy our show and wish you lovely